pretty cool.
It's very cool, no question about it.
And I love that it's happening here.
Yes.
I mean,
No
it's
doubt.
being built here, it's being used here, it's kind of fun.
Yep,
Yeah.
maintained here too. Very cool stuff. All right, I get asked all the time, what do you and Dean do on the weekend? Well, sometimes we take our scooters out, right?
Absolutely.
Right? Well, Dean's always taken the lead, usually, and he did this weekend too. Check it out here. There he goes.
I'm a gamer.
Yeah, there he
like
goes,
to get out there,
zooming
Mark.
on by. There's Dino just cruising along, and oh boy, what?
Well,
How does this even happen? The first guy hits the car, and the second guy doesn't adjust. He just keeps going. Car stopped. Here comes the first guy. And the other guy's like, oh, well, looks like I'm in. Ay, ay, ay. That is why
yeah.
I don't ride the scooter anymore. Here's a look at what's going on. And around the area, actually, things pretty quiet. Largely clear skies across the state, and we're going to see a cool night out there. And then tomorrow, temperatures really start to rebound, and we'll start to see that fire danger come up as well. But you probably noticed, if you've gone outside recently, it is still pretty windy out there in the metro area, 59 degrees for our temperature. Northwest winds sustained at 18, gusting as high as 29 miles an hour. And temperatures across the north, 30s and 40s, some 50s, and then down to the south, 40s and 50s as well, 60s across the southeast. But Albuquerque, Los Alamos, the two areas that have some gusty winds at this point. Everybody else is seeing their winds come down significantly, and the backside of that trough has worked its way on out of here, and it's taking the moisture with it. So back behind this, we will see those rising temperatures and a drying air mass as well. So look for a clear and cool night for tonight. But the winds up a little bit here in the metro may keep our temperatures slightly higher. Warmer conditions for tomorrow across the area under the influence of high pressure. And then we're going to see the highs start to flatten out a bit here over the next couple of days. As that happens, that will allow temperatures to continue to warm, and wildfires will become an increasing concern as far as fire danger goes across a good portion of the state here. But let's take a look at the temperatures and show you exactly how things are going to shake out, because that is the biggest story over the next couple of days. Here's a look at where we were for today as far as highs go. 50s and 60s to the north, including 51 in Raton, not all that warm. Down across the south, 72 in TRC and Silver City. And then as you get down around Roswell, Carlsbad, we saw those temperatures in the 60s. Well, we're going to see a significant warm up. It starts tomorrow, but then really ramps up on Wednesday. Here's a look at what the temperatures will look like Wednesday. And if you compare that to where we were today, this is the warm up. 79 on Wednesday, 16 degrees warmer than where we were today. Raton, check this out, 77 by Wednesday. That'll be a 26 degree increase, 25 degree increase in Tucumcari. We're going to be in the mid 80s. And here in the metro area, we're going to warm up nicely as well, about 13 degrees warmer by the time we hit Wednesday. Across the southern tier of the state, you guys are going to be warm as well. Temperatures jumping up 12 degrees by Wednesday in TRC to 84, 87 in Roswell, 21 degrees warmer than today. In Carlsbad, much warmer. Deming, warmer as well across the area here. And fire danger will continue to be a concern. And take a look at the reasons why. Fairly simple stuff once you start to break it down. Temperatures, as we just showed you, will be on the rise across the area here. Probably even through Thursday in many areas, we'll continue to see those temperatures rise. Well, as the temperatures go up and this storm system, which we had over the past few days, works its way out, the air mass overhead will dry out significantly. So the moisture is going to back off across the area here. So look for that to be a concern. And then obviously winds always a factor here, and they will start to increase by midweek. We'll see wind gusts back up around 30 miles an hour. Now tomorrow they're not going to be a big deal, but as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, they will be. The takeaway from all of this, well, when you take the temperatures, you make them warm, you got the dry air, you got the winds. Talking fire danger here, and it will get worse by later on this week. So be careful in that respect. Otherwise, weather's actually going to be pretty nice. 60s across southern Colorado, mostly sunny, mild afternoon on the way for tomorrow. Next chance at a storm looks like the weekend. 69 in Grant, 70 in Farmington, and 69 out in Gallup. Over into the southwest, temperatures here in the 70s, sunshine. And we'll keep warming. 77 Wednesday and 78 on Thursday. Over to the southeast, plenty of sunshine here as well. Anywhere from the 50s in Cloudcroft all the way up to the 70s. Roswell, Carlsbad. Up to the northeast, plenty of sunshine here too. 60s around Mora and Springer. 70s Santa Rosa and Conchas. Meanwhile, out to the northern mountains, cold start. 17 Red River, 20 Angel Fire, and 22 in Chama. Only to warm back up into the 50s and 60s by the afternoon. 60s around the East Mountains, sunny and breezy as well. Meanwhile, here in the metro, temperature's going to bottom out in the 30s and 40s, and then top out in the 60s and 70s. Here in the Heights, we're looking at temps significantly warmer than they've been. And then 78 on Wednesday, 79 on Thursday. We'll watch the weekend to see if we can squeeze out a shower or two. More on that as we get closer. More weather on Twitter at KRQE Mark.
All right, Mark, good stuff. Thank you.